Hello and welcome, and if you clicked on this video, I assume you like custom-made dolls. Enjoy!
So I just got this in the mail. Let's open this little package. So I usually make all the dolls clothes, but every now and then I'll see something online that I like. And I figure if it's not too expensive, I order it. So this usually comes either from outside the country or sometimes it's local, but it says made in China. Okay. So cute, so cute. It's a little dress. I'm gonna need to iron it. It's the tiniest little dress for one of the girls. Who should wear this? Who should wear this? So ridiculous, right? That's what you're thinking. So ridiculous. So cute. Let's show you. How cute is that? How cute is that? Three of my favorite girls. So you've seen her before. That's Rosie. She's kind of moody. Yeah, but she's super cute. Super cute. Right now her eyes look a little, I don't know, scary because of the light. But she really isn't scary. She's quite sweet. And right next to her we have little Miss Keisha. I changed her hair. She had straight hair when she came to me before I customized her, and I gave her this curly textured hair which I made out of crochet hair. So yeah, that's what she's wearing with her Ankara pants. And here is my little star. This is little Miss Ayodele, and she's wearing an Ankara dress. She's a fun little girl. Let's lay her down here so you can see it this way. So I think she is going to be wearing this little dress. She's going to wear it. And I don't know what happened to her shoe. I have no idea where she put her shoes. So we need to find it, or we'll need to borrow another pair of shoes from the other girls. So, do you like her braids? Yeah? Aren't they cute? Okay, let's change her out of this dress. How cute is this handmade coat, right? How cute is this? I stitched this probably about 2 years ago. This is hand stitched, made with felt. It's got buttons on it, it's got a collar, it's got even functional pockets, as you can see. So this is her in her dress. So that's what she looks like in that kente cloth dress. Now let's put on the yellow dress. I seriously don't know what she did with her shoe. Don't know what she did with her shoe. Anyway, can't wait to see you in this little yellow dress. Can't wait to see her. Can't wait to see her. Open your eyes, girl. Open your eyes. Oh my God, how adorable does she look? And I'm telling you, this lighting isn't doing her justice. I just love this yellow against her skin. It is so cute. Ayodele, you are looking so fine, girl. You are looking so fine, and whoever's watching this video or here for the first time is probably thinking I am nuts. But that's okay, because you know what? Nobody is normal. Nobody is normal on this planet or on this channel. So, oh my goodness, she's so sweet. Tell me she does not look sweet. I think she deserves a parfait for her sweetness. She deserves some cream, strawberries, and look at that. Let's give her some. All right. I think Rosie's throwing you some shade. Look at her. She's throwing you some shade, Ayodele. And you got Keisha over there. I don't know what they're talking about, but honey, you are looking so fine. Fine, fine girl. Fine, fine girl. All right, you got to see her standing up. And yes, I still have a Christmas tree up in my office. It's coming down tomorrow. Don't worry, it's coming down tomorrow. So just wanted to show you what she looks like standing up. Yeah? What do you think? So cute. So cute. So cute. She's gonna have the little uniform. Oh my goodness.
How cute does Jamila look in that plaid skirt, suspenders, long sleeve white blouse with the collar and the glasses? She is looking super cute. She looks like she's wearing a uniform. Did you guys grow up wearing school uniforms? So the girls are back, my 3 brown girls. Actually, I have another brown girl, Beyonce. But anyway, here is Keisha, fist is up. They are celebrating Black History Month, February Black History Month if you're in the US. And they're also wearing their chucks and pearls in recognition of our new vice president. Ayodele is usually pretty chatty, but look at her looking all shy. And look at these chucks here. Those are yellow and the other pair are black. Jamila has to be so extra. Do you see how many layers of pearls she's wearing? Like, how many layers of pearls do you need, girl? Anyway, they are celebrating Black girl power and Black girl magic. You can be and do whatever you set your mind to. So this is a little behind the scenes look at how I customize the dolls. I actually order these dolls straight from factories in China. They are made to look like Blythe dolls, which are very expensive from Japan. But those Blythe dolls from Japan don't come in brown colors or black dolls. So I prefer these, especially if I'm going to customize them, make their noses wider, make their mouths fuller, basically to look more authentic like us. So it's a process. Not only do you have to carve, there is a lot of chemicals involved, and then there's also the painting and coloring to, bring the face to life. So here I am making the jewelry. A lot of the pieces are sourced from craft stores or even real jewelry. And then I will hand sew the dresses, like this Beyonce dress I'm making. I love this doll. She is one of my most detailed dolls to date. I make the wigs from scratch. As you can see, each braid has been individually braided and then it gets attached to a wig. So it is definitely a very detailed process that takes hours of work, which is why it's not really cost effective for me to sell one doll at a time. It would take forever, and it's just not financially worth it to me. So if I were selling them, they would probably cost at least $500 a doll. Yes, because of the time and because, again, of sourcing all the items. But I really love this Beyonce doll and how she turned out. And if you want to see a more detailed look at the process, I will link the video in the description box. So for now, my goal really when I make these dolls, besides my own personal enjoyment, is in the future, I'd love to make a picture book with all of them.
Anyway, don't forget to thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it. I know it can get pretty random, but that's Kenton and Habiba for you. I am pretty random at times, yeah? So, take care of yourself, everybody. Say bye, Ayudele. Bye. Take care of yourself, ladies. Take care of yourself. Do something special and nice for yourself.